Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to share my recipe for kofta. So let's get started. For making the koftas, we need 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 2 green chilies. And we're going to go ahead and chop those up before we add the mince. I have about 1.5 pounds of mince, and I added 1 teaspoon of ginger in there as well. And I added the mince to the food processor, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the spices. I have half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix to combine all the ingredients. It should look something like this when it's done. Go ahead and set that aside. In the meantime, have half a cup of oil in a pan and add 1 sliced onion to the pan. And we're going to go ahead and saute the onion till it changes color to yellowish golden brown. Once it reaches that point, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic in there. I like to use quite a bit of garlic and ginger, but if you don't like too much, you can use less. So once you add the ingredients in there, go ahead and give that a good mix and saute that till ginger and garlic changes color. In the meantime, go ahead and get some oil on your hands and make your koftay or meatballs. You can make them any size you like. At this point, my ginger and garlic were light golden, so I added 2 chopped tomatoes. You can also grind your tomatoes and go ahead and cook those down. And then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the spices in there. I will have everything written down below. So I added 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a little bit of zeera as well. Once your masala starts to look something like that, go ahead and slowly drop in all the meatballs or the koftas. And we're going to go ahead and add about half a cup of water in there to cook the koftas so they don't break. Be very gentle with them and try not to be harsh or move them so they don't break. Go ahead and cover for a little bit. After about 10 minutes or so, the water dried up, and this is what they look like at this point. Now you can add potatoes, but today I'm going to add eggs to this, so I'm not going to go ahead and add potatoes here. If you wanted to, you could add potatoes at this point and saute them for a little bit before you add water. So I added about 1 glass of water. Now it depends how much gravy you want. So I don't want a lot of gravy, so I just added 1 glass. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover and let those cook. And on the side, I boiled about 4 to 5 eggs. And I'm gonna cut the eggs and add those eggs to the koftas. Now this is the amount of gravy I wanted, so I turned the heat off and I added the eggs in there. After adding the eggs, go ahead and garnish with some green chopped coriander, and your koftas are ready to serve. You can have them with naan, roti, or with rice as well if you prefer. These came out really great. Let me know if you try the recipe, and let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. Hope you enjoy and try this recipe. And thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much to all the new subscribers. See you again with another recipe soon. Thanks for watching.